Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zulfazli bin Muhammad Razi. My metric number is B0819103116. My class is FTKEE BEEI 1/2. Today, I want to talk about Electrical Workshop 1 BEEI 1311 case video. My purpose to make this video to identify what is the problem in the question and to solve the problem in the questions. In my case video, the question has been given randomly and I get the question number 2, which is a registered electrical wireman install an internal wiring a switchboard using cable without insulate. Does he obey with the electrical regulations, and how suppose he must do it? Relate with electrical regulation. From the question given, my reference to solve the problem in the question is from the Electrical Regulation 1994, which is Regulation number 15 and Regulation number 16. Before I talk about the question, I want to talk what is the switchboard. Switchboard is the device that direct electricity from one or more source of supply to several small regions of usage. The component in that has in the switchboard is main switch, RCCB, MCB, and also has the cable. The error that can I see in this question, that is the wireman install an external wiring a switchboard using cable without insulated. In Electrical Regulation 1994 state that a conductor shall be insulated and efficiently protected, so safeguard in such a manner as to prevent danger. Secondly, a conductor which is neither protected by metallic shell nor conveyed in a conduct shall be protected by an insulating bush or tube. Thirdly, any conductor or apparatus that is exposed to the weather, water, corruptions, underheating or used in flammable surrounding or in any explosive atmosphere shall be constructed or protected in such is manner to prevent a danger. This is the example of the wire that not been insulated that can be danger from users, and also can be danger from the device. The conclusion in my study case is every cable need have insulate for prevent any dangers. The secondly is the cable must not expose to the weather, water, and any metallic that can carry out the current. The lastly, the cable must cover by tube and bush.